HVAC contractor, finding the right one. Keeping your home hot or cold is important. You want to make sure that you are comfortable year-round. There is nothing like having a toasty home to go into when there is a foot of snow on the ground. There is also nothing like beating the heat with a nice cool air-conditioned living room. To make sure that you have the best unit for your home or business, you need to have a licensed HVAC contractor do the work for you. A HVAC contractor will be able to look at your needs and ensure that you get the appropriate sized unit for your home or business. There is nothing worse than having a unit that's too small. If you live in an area where it gets hot and stays hot for months at a time, you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars a month in electric bills. You also don't want to worry about your home staying warm all the time. What's the point of having an air conditioning unit if it's not going to stay comfortable? Staying comfortable when you run your business is not just important for you but for your customers too. An HVAC contractor can come in and ensure that you and your customers stay nice and comfortable. Having the right heating and air conditioning can ensure that they will be able to come into your business during the summer and winter months. Nothing will drive your customers away quicker than it being too hot or too cold for your customers' comfort. It's important to your home and your business to have someone who is reliable. You need to do your shopping around before you hire someone to service or install your heating and air systems. You want someone who will be able to come and fix your system in an emergency. There is nothing worse than having a scalding hot day and your air conditioning unit goes out, except possibly not having anyone to come to your home and service it. You will need a HVAC contractor who is available to come and fix things on short notice. If he is not able to come out himself, he should be able to recommend someone to come out and help you. Your HVAC contractor needs to be a full-service expert. You don't want to waste your money on someone who won't be able to help you when you need it. Be sure to do your research before you spend all that hard-earned money. An HVAC contractor in Houston, http://www.higherstandardact.com/ can help you keep your house cool in the summer months. For more information, check out http://www.higherstandardact.com/. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Aaliyah_Arthur/663273